Hi, friend. So this is AI, and this is Seedance 2 1080p released officially, and this is crazy. I am 100% AI, fully generated. Look at how crisp everything looks.
Yep, what you just saw is 100% AI. Seedance 2 1080p just dropped, and my friends, it's the craziest thing that I've seen in a while. The quality of the image, the quality of the audio, the details are unmatched, especially if you are generating AI avatars or clones of yourself. So let's review some examples that I generated with it. Number one, we have AI avatars. So watch this. I generated a 20-second clip with my source audio and my reference image by utilizing the edit video feature, asking it to extend the video for me past 15 seconds, and this is what I got.
Hi, this is a test. This is Seedance 2 1080p full HD. This is quite crazy, my friend. Look at the quality. Look at how sharp and detailed everything is. The lips, the face, the movements. This is next level AI video generation. Absolutely insane.
I'm very impressed with the audio quality. It seems like it trained or cloned my voice at the same time, because it sounds just like me, something that VO3 or Kling 3 cannot do at the moment. But also the overall look and feel, it looks like it was shot on an iPhone. Here is another example, a lip sync test.
This is a lip sync test in full 1080p. My voice was cloned, my face was generated from a single photo, and yet here I am speaking to you like I have always been real. Watch my lips. Every word is synced, every syllable matched. This is Seedance 2.
100% AI generated. This is actually wild. Like, I would never be able to tell that this is AI if I did not know.
All right, so my hair has been a mess lately, and someone recommended Uwai. I have been using it for a week, and honestly, my hair feels completely different, like softer, cleaner, no buildup. This stuff actually works. Link is in my bio if you want to try it. Just got this chain in, and I am not gonna lie, it hits different. The weight on it is perfect. It is not too flashy, but you notice it. This is one of those pieces that just elevates any outfit. I've been wearing it every day since it arrived.
Here are some examples of different emotional deliveries. These are all 9x16.
Bro, stop. I cannot breathe. Why would you say that? Oh my God. I just found out today, and I do not really know how to process it. Everything felt fine yesterday, and now it just feels like nothing makes sense anymore. No. I am done. I am so done with this. I cannot do this anymore. This is insane.
And now you can watch the 16:9 version of similar prompts.
No. I am done. I am so done with this. I told them 100 times and nobody listens. Nobody cares. I put everything into this and they just threw it away like it was nothing. Like I was nothing. I cannot do this anymore. I am walking away. I am done. This is insane. What the? Oh my God. No. Get away from me. There is something in here and it's getting closer. Where's the door? Somebody help me. Please. I'm not joking. This is not funny. There is something in here. I can hear it moving. It is getting closer. Oh God. Where's the door?
So what are some of the use cases? Well, number one, YouTube intros. As you saw today, I used my AI clone to introduce this video, and here's another version that I had in the bank.
Seedance 2 1080p just released, and what you are seeing right now is 100% AI. This is my avatar, and today I will walk you through everything it can do.
2, product showcase. Here's a podcast style ad of myself advertising AG1.
Dude, I have been taking this every single morning for like 3 months now, and I am telling you, it is a game changer. Like, I wake up and I actually feel good, no crash, no nonsense, just clean energy the whole day. AG1 is the real deal.
Number 3, commercials or launch videos. Here's a video that uses my likeness to advertise Seedance 2 1080p.
This is Seedance 1080p. Buckle up. You think you know what is real? You do not. Everything you have seen, every face, every place, was built from nothing. And the scariest part, you believed all of it.
This did cost me about $60. I'm not gonna lie, it's not cheap, but also the quality is there. Now here I tried to test it to see how accurate it would be with physics, and so I asked it to speak while also playing basketball and trying to score at the same time, and here's what I got.
Yo, check this out. Seedance 2 in 1080p. Even while playing ball, this looks crazy sharp. Like, look at this. Look at the detail. Let me try to hit this shot real quick. Watch. Okay. But seriously though, everything you are seeing right now is fully AI generated. The ball, the court, my movement, none of this is real. This is insane.
Another example, I wanted to see how it does with different type of light or environment, especially with texture on skin. So I prompted it to be sweating at the gym.
I just hit a PR, bro. I am literally shaking right now. My hands won't stop trembling. And the wildest part is none of this is real. This is AI generated. The sweat, the gym, everything. Seedance 2.
Looks good. Normally with all the other video models, it does not do a great job in this kind of scenario or context. Now here I tried to see how it would do with a wide lens selfie video.
Hi, this is a test. This is Seedance 2 in 1080p, full HD. This is quite crazy, my friend. Look at the quality.
This is my favorite video because I think that it did an amazing job. It looks like me, it sounds like me, except the fact that the teeth are too white and maybe they do not look like my teeth. I don't really have much to say. I did not expect that there would be such a huge difference between 720p and 1080p. Because I think that what other video models are doing is that they're just upscaling their 720p output. But in this case, it seems like Seedance is actually generating at 1080p. Here's another one.
All right, so I am testing Seedance 2 in full 1080p right now. Look at the detail on this, the lighting, the background. Everything looks so real.
I mean, it does look 95% like me. And this is only version 2. See, this is Seedance 2. And I'll let you in on a little secret. Seedance 2.5 is ready, and it will be launched soon. And Seedance 3 is currently in training. So, I'm scared. AI avatars, phenomenal. You can add your products, you can clone yourself, you can create AI influencers. This is the model for that. But also it does phenomenally well with cinematic outputs, especially text to video. Take a look at these. First one is this huge surfing wave. So I told it to freeze a massive wave in time and have the camera fly through it to give me suspended water droplets, and I wanted to have some fish stuck in the midair and maybe some interesting boats that were tilted inside the wave. Again, this is fantasy, right? Like I wanted to have a cool transition, maybe like light coming through. Watch this. The scale of this is crazy for something that came from a text prompt. This looks like something out of a blockbuster movie. And this only took about 8 minutes to generate. This other one is the bullet through the glass. I wanted to see how it handles physics and slow motion at the same time, so I just asked it for a bullet going through the window, with also the camera following it alongside. And you can see that the glass breaks into thousands of pieces. Each one is also, look at how it's catching the light. This is where it gets interesting with storytelling, because I wrote this one prompt that you see over here to describe 4 different scenes. First, we have a vault break-in, then we have an alarm go off, we have a rooftop chase, and the guy that jumps off the building with cash flying somewhere. This is hard to do with other models, especially at this quality. Again, we're not just talking about Seedance, we're talking about Seedance 1080p here. This one caught me off guard because I just asked it to show me a father and a daughter growing up together using different match cuts, and I was not expecting this. I think it did a good job. It kept the same golden look throughout the transition between each moment, and it looks very smooth. Does it look AI? I would say the trained eye can tell that this is AI, but it's very close to the real deal. And here are some more examples.
You came to my house on the night my daughter was born and you asked me for a favor. I gave it to you, and now you sit here and tell me it meant nothing. So I'm going to ask you one time, just one time, where is my money?
They want us to run. They have been chasing us for 6 months across 3 star systems, waiting for us to break. We are not breaking today. Bring us around, all weapons forward. If we go down facing them.
Okay, this would be a very interesting movie. I'm actually intrigued. I want to know more.
I am not leaving him. You hear me? Go if you want to go, but I am not leaving him. He has a kid at home. He has a little boy who is waiting for him. So you can either help me carry him or get out of my way.
My client was home that night with his daughter, reading her a bedtime story. And you want to take that man and put him in a cage for something he did not do. You look him in the eyes and you tell me he is guilty.
Wait a second. Is this Jim Carrey? It looks like him. That's crazy. Now, where do you access it? You can access it right now inside Enhancer, the app, and also the API. The price is 4 cents per second inside Enhancer, and the official, the market price everywhere else is 6.5 cents per second. So you get a great discount, especially through API. So if you want to generate with Seedance 1080p, you can simply go inside the video generator, and if you want to build with Seedance to 1080p, you can grab your API key inside the API dashboard and quite literally create without limits.
So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, friend. I appreciate your time. Turn on the notifications, hit that like and subscribe to be updated with the latest AI news, and do not forget to create without limits. This is Sirio.